Subscribe to our channel for tips and tricks and press the bell icon to stay updated.
Hi guys, welcome to my new video. In this video we will be learning how to create a partition in Windows. So for this we have a built-in partition management tool from Windows, that is disk management, and also you can do the same by installing some third-party software, but it's recommended to use Windows disk management since it's built-in. And if you are planning to download any third-party software, means sometimes you need to pay for that, and also it will be again taking some space from your disk. So it's better to use the built-in tool. Normally I would like to prefer to use the built-in tool. So let's get started. We have multiple ways to access the disk management tool. I will show all three methods which I know. So first, you can just search on the search bar, type disk. When you type disk, you can see create and format hard disk partitions. You can click on this to open the disk management tool, or else you can right click on this and right click on the start button and click on disk management. And the method which I prefer is Windows plus R. It will open the run box. So inside the run box, type disk mgmt.msc and click on OK. So it will open the disk management tool. As you can see, this is the tool. I will just close it, and I will open like in the other way. Right click on this and click on disk management. So it will open the same thing only. And if I show the first method, that is create and format hard disk partition, it will also open the same. So you can access the tool in whichever way you want. Now let's see. Now I know this is a bit confusing, but we can look into this one by one. You can see disk 0, disk 1, disk 2. So what it is? So my system, that is my computer, is having 3 disks. One is 1 TB of hard disk, that is disk 0. Now you can see multiple partitions in this, but it's not labeled as C, E or D. Why? Because it is my computer is having multiple operating systems, that is Windows and Linux. So this one is I have kept it dedicated for Linux. So these are Linux partitions, so we can't do anything on this. So we will be ignoring this disk for today's learning. And now we will move to the disk 1. Disk 1 is a 250 GB of SSD. So this is a solid state drive. I have used this only for this disk for a C drive to make the system faster. So as you know, solid state drive is faster than normal hard disk drive. So I have installed the Windows, that is the C drive is on this disk, and remaining some partitions are again for Linux. So we won't be using this disk 2. For today's learning purpose, we will be using this disk 2, that is of 500 GB. We already have a disk of 315 GB, that is the D drive. So I will show this from this PC view. We'll go to this PC. So in this PC you can see local disk D. It is having 315 GB and 156 GB free. Just note down the free space and the total space. As we will be showing how to create a partition. Also we will show how to extend the partition. So while extending, you can see the changes in this disk. Now for creating new partition, we can see unallocated space. So there should be unallocated space. unallocated space means this is the free space, available space to create new partition. Only if there is unallocated space, that is this disk is of around 465 GB, 100 GB is used for Linux and the remaining 315 GB is used for D drive, existing D drive. And we have a 50 GB of free space. So we have this 50 GB, so we can either extend this one, right click on this and click on extend, or else we can create a partition. Since we have 50 GB of space, we can create a partition, and our purpose is to create a partition. We will do that. So right click on this, click on new simple volume, then click on next. So it will ask in this stage, it will ask simple volume size in MB. So you need to give the maximum is 51200. So we will give the same because we need 50 GB of space for the new drive. So we can give the same, or else if you want 25 GB means you have to multiply 25 with 1024 and enter the value here. So we will be using the entire space. Click on next, and at this stage you have to assign a drive letter. Drive letter is nothing, it's just like the C drive, D drive. So the next letter will be F. You can give A, B, anything you can give. I'll go for F. Click on next, and it will ask for format. It's better to format the volume. Keep everything as same itself and do not change anything. You can change the volume label if you want. I am keeping it as no volume itself. You can change it to local disk or anything. It's up to you. Click on next and finish. So now it will start formatting and it will create a new partition. Now this unallocated space is changed to a healthy partition. And when you come to this PC, and now when you refresh, you can see a new F volume is created, that is of 50 GB of space. It's entire empty. So this is how we create a new partition. So it's very simple to create partition, and now we will see how to delete the partition. So before deleting partition, there are things to be taken care of, that the partition, and if there is any important files inside the partition, just move it around to some other flash drive or some other partitions before deleting it. If you don't want any the files inside that is not that necessary or important, you can just delete it. So I click on this, click on delete volume. It will ask it will show a warning message before deleting this volume will erase all data on it, backup any data. This is the thing what I said just now. Click on yes. Since we don't have anything, we are just deleting it. Now when I deleted it, again changed to unallocated space. Now if we open this PC, you can see the partition has been gone. Now what we will do? Now we will use this 50 GB and extend this D drive. That is, we will add this 50 GB for this D drive, and we will increase the capacity of the D drive. So for that, we will right click on this, click on extend volume. So again it will open extend volume wizard. Click on next. It will ask the same, how much you want to extend. I want to extend the entire 50 GB. So you can keep as it is. Click on next, click on finish. It's that simple. Now it's added to this D drive, and now as you can see, it is 365. It was 315, now it's 365. We can verify the same in this. Now see, it's not extended here. Nothing to worry about. You just need to refresh this. Just note down the values, 315 and 156. Now I'm clicking refresh. See, Now it's 365 GB and 206 GB of free space. So this is how we will extend the disk. Similarly, you can shrink the disk also. It is also the same procedure only. Right click on this, shrink volume. So how much space we have? This much of space is there, free space is there. We just want to shrink 50 GB. So if I'm not wrong, it is 51200, and we will click on shrink. So again 50 GB is shrinked. Now when we go and check into the D drive, we just need to refresh. It's again shrinked. So this is how we can create a new partition, shrink, extend using disk management. So it is a built-in tool in the Windows operating system. So you can go for this. I would recommend to go for Windows disk management rather than going for some other third-party software. You can use that also. It will give you some more extra features, but this built-in tool is enough to handle the disk partitioning. So that's all about disk partition, and I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more interesting tips and tricks videos.